Hi everyone. Today we are going to take one more question from the SAT paper for the exponential function f. The table above shows several values of x and their corresponding values of fx. So they just give you a function table where x are plotted and fx are plotted. What you need to do, where uh, a is a constant greater than 1, so this a value is more than 1. And if k is a constant, then figure out the value of k if f of k is a to the power 29. From the table, if you see the trend from a to the power 1 to a to the power 5 to go to there, you need to multiply it by a to the power 4, right? You know, a1 times a to the power 4. When two exponents with same bases are multiplied together, you need to just add up the powers, 1 plus 4, and that gives you a to the power 5. Next, times a to the power 4 again, you'll get a to the power 9. So when x is equals to 4, your f of x value will be, again add 4 with 9, you'll get a to the power 13. For x equals 5, your fx value will be a to the power 17. If you go on like that, you'll get f of x equals a to the power 21. X equals 7, a to the power 25. And when x equals 8, you'll get a to the power 29. So when you plug in x equals 8 in place of k, your y value will be a to the power 29. So that's it. So the value of k will be equals to 8. That was the normal method. But sometimes the question maybe it's related to more than a to the power 29. Suppose they're asking about, let's say, a to the power 1004. So how do you do that in that cases? You should know how a standard exponential function looks like. F of x equals a times b to the power x. What does a means? The a represents the y-intercept. What does b means? B represents the multiplying factor. Okay. Well, how to get the y-intercept? You should plug in x equals 0, right? Now, if you go to the table, x equals 1, to go to x equals to 0, we need to step back. So let's say this is the 0 step. And what is the multiplying factor? A to the power 4, right? In the forward direction, we are multiplying by a to the power 4. So isn't it to go to the backward direction, we need to divide it by a to the power 4? We do have a, means a to the power 1, right? And if you're dividing by a to the power 4, you know, when two exponents with same bases are divided, we need to subtract the powers. So 1 minus 4, that gives you -3, correct? So when x equals 0, your fx value will be a to the power -3. So a raised to the power -3 is basically the initial value or x-intercept. So I'm going to write there f of x equals the initial value is a raised to the power -3 times. What is b value? The thing you're multiplying every time, right? That's a to the power 4. So I'm going to write a to the power 4 and raised to the power x. If you simplify that, a raised to the power -3, 4 times x, that gives you 4x. The next thing, when bases are same, we're going to add up the powers, which gives us 4x minus 3. And that's f of x, right? Now, if you see, when I'll get a to the power 29, for what value of x, I'll get the value of a to the power 29. Let's see there. Okay. So we are going to so you're getting a to the power 29, right? And I'm getting a to the power 4x minus 3. So for what value of x, you're going to get a value of 29 in total. So you can equate them. 4x minus 3 equals 29. If you solve it, you'll get x equals 8. And that's it.